Hi, welcome. I am Chef Sheila Fowlkes, and welcome to Fowlkes N Flour. And today we're going to do a quick little video to give you a little tip about measuring. I know some of you have issues with your cookies and cake coming out dry, crumbly, or your cake's really dense. And it could be a simple little matter of flour, how you're measuring your dry ingredients. So today I'm going to show you a little tip. Most of us, we like to just scoop it up like this. You know, this is a cup. This is what you need, see? And so we just pour it on in there. The problem with that is that's too much flour. When you scoop it up like that, you end up with way more flour than you really need. So what I'm going to do is show you what you should be doing. What you should be doing is, if you need a cup of flour, okay, you're going to take your scoop, put it into the cup like this. Okay, just put it in there like that. Okay, see, got a little melting. You want to take a knife or something with a flat end like this. See, and you're going to scrape it over like this. Okay, just scrape it over the top. That's going to take away all that excess flour, and you're going to have exactly what you need. Just the cup, not the extra. Okay, so that is how we want to do that. That is how we want to measure our dry ingredients. Now, you can also do that with your baking powder. Excuse me. You can also do that with your baking powder. Some of the baking powder have the little leveler there, so you don't really need a knife, you know. So you're going to take your spoon in there like that. And then you're going to level it off so that you only get what you need for your recipe. See how easy that was? But you want to measure things, and you want to use a leveler to level it off so that you're getting the correct amount in your recipe. Just a little quick video to just show you a little tip that will make a world of difference, believe me. So why don't you try and do an easy little recipe or something and come on back and show us, okay? So if you're looking at this video in YouTube, then go to the bottom there, subscribe, and come on and join us over at Skool, in the Skool community, where we will be learning much more than we are here on YouTube. And we'll be doing questions and answers. We'll be doing tutorials, baking, and just having a good time over there. So come on over to Fowlkes N Flour on Skool and have a good time with us. You can also catch me on Instagram at the Cake Folks. You know, I don't post a lot over there, but I do some content there. But if you want to have a good time, learn some basic baking, come on over to the Skool community. And when you do, I have a little gift for you. There is a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie recipe there for you. Quick, easy, you know, get in there, try it out, and then post your results in school. Thank you for coming to my channel, and have a great day. Come on over and let's bake.